Hey guys, it's the Gut Train. Today I'm going to review my train set. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment below, and turn on the notification bell. So let's get started. So first, I'll start with my New York Central diesel. It's from the 50s. It runs pretty great actually. Looks like under. Here's next up on this or post-war remake of the 1950s milk car, where it gives you little milk jugs, and you put them in here, and then when it's on the track, you press this button, then it's gonna spit the milk out of the car onto the platform. Over here, I have an armor horse loader car. This one, you put it on, it goes on the track like the other one, like the milk car. Instead, the cattle go into the little doors that open up. Then they go in there, then the train will move around. Then when you park it where the platform is, you stop the train, then you press this button, then the cattle come out and back onto this platform right there, where the train pulls out right there. Over here, I have a loader, Bethlehem steel loader from, I believe, 2011, and the Bethlehem steel car pulls right up front. You hit this button, then it's supposed to come, then all the magnet's supposed to come down, connect to one of those tubes, bring it up, go back and dump it right into that little slot over here. The loader's not set up, but I have a loader. That's what that red New York Central gondola is. And let's see. Instead of unloading it, it loads it, so it grabs the tubes from here, it lifts it up and drops it into the car, and then then this is the mount, and one of the best parts of the layout. You have we made it out of tape and a lot of cardboard papers, like paper mache-ish. We didn't finish painting it yet, but we're gonna paint it like a mountainy color. And then, but we have some accessories on it right now. Like, here's the hobo shack, which the hobo would hang out in. Then the hobo hotel boxcar where the hobo stay in and have a campfire. Over here, I have this 1956 passenger station where the little carriages move around it. It's a freight station. They move around it, and then it's supposed to be like a luggage. And I have a bump in reverse right here from 2005. And then these trains. This caboose is from 1947. Then this mint car is from 1999. This Butterfinger car is from 1973. This 1950s New York Central gondola. This 2012 tanker, 1993 Chevron tanker. A 1977 boxcar, this tube 1998 or 2000 tube car, then this New Haven remake of the Postwar from 2012 boxcar, then this 1999 boxcar Santa Fe, and then the engines. The inner loop has kind of like a box car, crane car, truck carrier, Toy Story car, then another gondola, and there's a tanker right there. And then with the little loader right there, are the little guys working on scrapping the New York Central diesel. We're gonna put a track that connects it right there to the yard area, so it'll look like it's not standing out in the open. So that would be pretty good. And then that's pretty about it. I have the flagpole set up, and the log. Oh, I forgot about the log people. So log people they would move around to pretend to cut the wood. So that's pretty much it for my train set. So come back or check back for more videos, and please subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.